In this video, I will show you how to create an Expedia account step by step so you can start booking flights and hotels in minutes. To get started, head over to expedia.co.uk, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click on to sign in. Now what it's going to do is open a window like this. From here, click the blue sign in button, and it's going to take you to a screen where you can sign in or create an account. So what you can do is a quick sign in and creation with a Google account. You can also use an Apple or Facebook account, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create one from scratch. So what I'm going to do is enter an email into the box here and then click continue. Once you've done that, what's going to happen is a code is going to be sent to that email address. Make sure to check your junk mail. Sometimes it does end up in there, but what you're going to want to do is look for a 6-digit code from Expedia, which you need to enter into the box here. Once you've done that, click continue, and then what it's going to do is ask you to add a mobile number, and this is just to enable a secure sign-in. Again, they're going to send a secure code to your mobile number, so make sure to enter a number that you do have access to. Once you've done that, click on to send code, and then enter the 6-digit code into the next box. After doing this, you'll be taken back to the Expedia home screen, and your account is now created, good to go. So that is how to create an Expedia account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.